Hello Muggles and welcome back to my Harry Potter Kitchen, the YouTube series where I am creating a recipe for every food and drink item mentioned in the wizarding world. If you missed last week's recipe for our giant chalk ice, perfect for Dudley's birthday, then make sure you check out the link down below in the description to catch up. But it's another Magic Monday, so let's see what recipes we've got today. If you are new to my channel and you love all things Harry Potter, then make sure you click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get an alert every Magic Monday when there is a brand new video. But I'm excited to see what's going to happen next, so let's get into it. Okay, so last week we headed to the zoo for Dudley's birthday with the whole of the Dursley clan, Harry and Dudley's best friend Piers. They just got themselves some large chocolate ice creams, and the next recipe is actually in the same sentence, because the smiling lady in the van had asked Harry what he wanted before they could hurry him away. They bought him a cheap lemon ice lolly. Looks like we're going back to the freezer. For this recipe, you will need 600 milliliters of water, 300 grams of sugar, 1 lemon, some whole peppercorns, and some fruit for decoration. I've used lemons, limes, strawberries, and blueberries. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a My Harry Potter Kitchen recipe without a little bit of house pride. So I'm going to flavour these with different fruits depending on which house you want to make them for. The lemons, although I could have done oranges, are going to be for Hufflepuff. Don't be bitter, you know. Limes are going to be for Slytherin. The blueberries are going to be for Ravenclaw, and our strawberries are going to be for Gryffindor. To begin, you want to heat your water on a medium heat and then pour in your sugar, stirring it until dissolved. Next, add in the juice and rind of your lemon, as well as a handful of your whole peppercorns. Bring this to the boil and then allow it to simmer for 5 minutes before taking it off the heat. Leave it to cool while you go and prepare your moulds. Now you're ready to prepare your fruit, and you want to slice these so they're small enough to fit inside your moulds, but also you don't want them too small, otherwise they'll all sink to the bottom. It's best to do these vertically so you get a nice cross section when you're looking into the lolly. Now, of course, this recipe does work best with fresh fruit, which I'm using, but you can also get pre-frozen fruits and then pop them straight into the mould. It does save you a bit of time, but it doesn't look as pretty. Stack your fruits inside your moulds. I've made one for each of the houses and also 2 mixed ones for the teachers who want us to stop fighting and just get along. Once your syrup is cooled and infused, strain it out to remove your rind and your peppercorns and then slowly pour them into your moulds. Add in your lolly sticks and then pop your mould into the freezer to set for at least 2 to 3 hours. Once your lollies are all set up, you want to take them out of your mould. Now, depending on your freezer and how long you've left them outside for, they might be a little bit tricky to get out of the mould. So a quick trick here is to get a large cup or a jug of hot water, dip them in quickly and then try to pull them out. You don't want to leave it in the hot water too long, so it's best to try a little bit, try and take it out. If it's still frozen, dunk it again, but don't leave it until your lollies are melted, otherwise you can have a slush puppy. Although that could work as well. Coming next week, Harry Potter slush puppies. And we're done! Our Hogwarts-inspired lemon ice lollies are good to go. So there you have it, another frozen treat for you to enjoy next summer when it warms up again. Thanks, winter. That is all for this episode, but if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and I will see you next Monday with a brand new recipe.